Okay. All right. Let's see. Is this thing recording? Is it recording? Nope. All right, it is. Okay. All right. So here's part 3. It's the last example. All right. This is going to be from a different worksheet. So this worksheet for this one, I don't know why they're on the ground, but they're on the ground. Number 4. Okay. So this is this worksheet here. All right. The printing's all jacked up because Deluna doesn't know how to print, but just kidding, Deluna. Just kidding, dude. Don't get mad. Yeah, we got 4 right here. All right. We got 4, so let's go ahead and do 4. This one's a little tricky, guys. It's going to take probably a good 4 minutes. So bear with me on this, and this is going to be a tough problem, right? Tough problem here. Okay, so right here we're going to do the solution. All right, so I'll go ahead and give you guys. So that's the question. So the question 4 is just telling us to sketch out a triangle. Okay, we're going to label it LMN, where M is the right angle, and they're giving us a trig ratio. So they're giving us a sine theta, a sine alpha, or they're giving us some sort of cosine, sine or tangent. Okay, and we're supposed to be able to solve the rest of the trig ratios. Okay, so you guys remember the 3 you know right now. There's more. Okay, I don't know if we'll cover those here in this class, but for sure you guys are learning sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so for 4, they're giving us a sine. So they're going to give us sine L. So sine L is going to be equal to 16 divided by 34. 16 divided by 34. Okay. So we're supposed to find the rest. Okay, it's asking us to find cosine L, tangent L, sine L, and cosine N. So we're going to find all those. It's not too bad to watch. All right, and if you're struggling with this, you guys have other resources. Okay, take a look at your notes from Deluna, and if you're still struggling, go to YouTube, look up freaking sine, how to solve for sine x. Okay, you guys shouldn't have excuse. I don't care if you say that your teacher sucks. Okay, you guys have all the resources you need, because what I get a lot is, oh, he doesn't know how to teach. All right, okay, we're trying. Okay, we're trying. We don't know how to do this online stuff. It's hard. So we're all learning together, right? So all I'm saying is, if you don't know how to do something, just watch a YouTube video or email us directly. I'll help you out. My students, I'll help you out. Hey, Mr. Ernst, how do you do number 2? I'll send you a detailed solution of the problem. So I'll give you notes on how to do it. I'm just saying, don't have excuses. Okay, you guys can't have excuses. All right. So, sorry for going on that tangent right there, but I had to let it out. Let me see if we can see that on the camera. Can you see it? Yeah, okay. So solution. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one in steps because it's a lot of work. So let's do step 1. Okay, step 1 is going to be what does it say? What is the first word on the problem? Sketch. So we're going to sketch it out. That's what we're going to do first. So we're going to sketch it out. It's going to be a right triangle. Okay. So let's draw some right triangle. Okay. So take it in steps. That's the only way you're gonna succeed in math. If you try to do everything in your head, or if you just try, solving everything all fast, no. Easy does it. So draw your triangle, your right triangle, and then label your right angle M with right angle M. So we're gonna put M right here. The right angle. Okay. Now, we have 2 more vertices / angles that we need to put. L and N. L, N. Okay. So far, we got a pretty good image so far. Right? Not too bad. So we sketched out our triangle. Okay. Now let's go into the trig ratios. Okay. So let's go to step 2. Okay. Step 2 is going to be to label the sides. Okay, we're going to give the sides a length, okay, because we can do that, okay, we can do that. Remember, sine means, okay, another thing for sine L, okay, it's not just 16 out of 34, okay, we can call it something else. Remember, SOHCAHTOA, all right, I don't know if Deluna covered that, but that's how I'm going to teach my students, okay, Hernandez's students. We're going to do SOHCAHTOA. So remember, S-O-H. O stands for opposite. Okay, opposite. the H stands for hypotenuse. All right. So katoa. So look, remember, we know what sine L is. Sine L is 16 divided by 34. Okay, remember, in math you can label things a bunch of different things. Okay, sine L is equal to opposite of hypotenuse is equal to 16 out of 34. Okay, all three of these are the same thing, just different names. All right, so now we have L here. All right, so opposite to L. Remember, opposite. Look, opposite. This is gonna be opposite is 16. So we're gonna label 16. All right. So I know that's tricky. Okay, but remember, L here, whatever is inside the parentheses, whatever is next to the trig ratio, we call that the reference angle. Okay, L is our reference angle here. So therefore, the opposite side is 16, and the hypotenuse. Okay, what's our hypotenuse? Remember, we did here. We went here, we did the hypotenuse. Opposite to the right angle. Okay. Opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse. So this here, the side LN is the hypotenuse. Okay. So therefore, make it even easier for y'all watch. The opposite side to L is MN. And the hypotenuse is LN. Right? Yeah. So therefore, look, MN is 16, LN is 34. Okay. So we got that done. Okay, we're doing pretty good. I know it's a lot of work for this one. It's our problem. So it's come on. It's second semester geometry. It's gonna pick up. It's gonna pick up pretty fast. So now we know our sides. But guess what? We have a problem here. Okay. Anybody spot the problem? All right. Yeah. So the problem is that we don't know the side LN. Okay, we don't know that side. So we're gonna go ahead and solve it. Okay, so step 3, we're gonna go. So I don't know if DeLuna's doing it a different way, so I'm doing it. So for my students, but you guys can have different methods of doing math. Okay, so maybe DeLuna students, you guys can try my method if you like it or something. Okay, I'm gonna see where I'm at on time. I don't want to be here for like a half an hour. We're 7 minutes already. Sheesh. Okay, it'll be a long video. It's a hard problem. Step 3. Okay, step 3 is gonna be to find LM. We're gonna find LM using Okay, I'm gonna move over here. Okay, I'm gonna move over here because there's no more room. I don't want to erase anything, so I want you guys to have all the steps. Okay, so check it out. So step 3 is gonna be over here. So let me just direct you guys right here. Okay. So step 3, we're gonna find that missing side. So find. We need to do all this before we can solve for these other sides, cosine, tangent. So all this work is necessary. Okay, so I know it's a lot of work. So step 3 is gonna be find the missing side, LM. So we're gonna use that using the new theorem y'all learned. Okay, the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, that thing is money right there. Okay, that is money. That is gold. I use that thing all the way up to calculus in college. Okay, it's so handy. Okay, the Pythagorean theorem. So architects, everybody uses that thing. It's very important in life. Okay, final one. So remember, the Pythagorean theorem goes the hypotenuse squared equals one of the sides squared plus another side squared. All it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Okay, you guys can look back in your notes. I'm not gonna go do a lesson on Pythagorean theorem. I had to teach this. So remember, so 34 squared equals the side LM squared. Okay, all I did was like I labeled the side LM. Okay, because this side LM, okay, we don't know it, so I labeled the LM squared plus MN, which is 16 squared. Okay, so there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do some calculator. Where's my calculator at? Where you got the calculators at, man? Oh, never mind. All right. So we're gonna do some math, some math right here, some algebra, good old algebra. So that's why you guys are supposed to pay attention to algebra. It's coming up again. See, Yeah. Last year they told you to listen to algebra, so now if you can't do algebra, you know why. Okay, no, most of you guys are pretty good. Most of y'all are pretty good at algebra though. Good job. Yeah, you guys had good algebra teachers. You guys are lucky here at South. You guys got some really good teachers, right? Alright, so you got 1156 equals LM squared plus 256. Subtract 256 both sides. Okay, we're gonna have 1156 minus 256. It's gonna be 900. Okay, everybody knows the square root of 900. Come on now. Everybody knows that. It's 30. Yeah. But never trust nobody, all right? Go ahead and check yourself. Okay, ask your Apple Watch. What is 9? Come on, man. What's up with this? Oh, my phone died, so it doesn't work. Good thing we got technology. We got all you got to do. Look, if you don't know how to do square roots on a calculator, put second, put the square right there. Put 900 here. Okay, don't forget the parentheses. All right. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then we're going to get 30, like I said, because everybody knows 900. The square root is 900. Okay, so LM is 30. Okay. Bam. So now we can solve the rest. Now it's easy. We're done. We did all the hard work. Okay, now we're done. I'm telling you. We're done. Like, this is the easy part. Step 4, we got to find the remaining trig ratio. So for 4, we got cosine L. Okay, now let's solve for cosine L. So look, remember, L is going to be the reference angle. So we're looking here. So remember, cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse. Okay, so L is here. All right. So the adjacent side to L is LM. LM is 30. So you're gonna put 30. And the hypotenuse. All right. Remember the hypotenuse, the bigger side, or the side opposite to the right angle, is 34. Voila. Ya estuvo, terminamos. Party. You know what I'm saying? We did it. So I told you guys it was hard. All right, it's a lot of steps in the beginning, but we did it now. Okay. Now cosine L. Let's do tangent L. Okay. Tangent L. Remember, tangent is TOA. OA. Opposite over the adjacent angle. Adjacent side. What am I saying? Opposite over the adjacent sides. Okay. So opposite. So look. These could vary. Okay, they're gonna vary. Tangent L is different from tangent M. They all vary because of the reference angle. So tangent L is opposite. So opposite of L is 16, and adjacent to L is 30. So tangent's cool because the cool thing about tangent is it does not include the hypotenuse. Fun fact. So it only has the legs. So opposite, so 16 and 30, right? Opposite, yeah, 16 over 30. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do. I think you guys are good. You guys saw sine, tangent, cosine. So this video is already long enough. So we'll have work for you guys. Me and DeLuna, we're gonna team up. So we're gonna team up and we're gonna do videos like this because I feel like these videos will be good for y'all. And if you guys have any questions on anything, just email or leave a comment on Google Classroom. You guys should have no excuse. We're gonna put effort. Okay, us teachers, I want to teach math. Like I'm still teaching math. I still show up here. I come over here to South almost every day. All right, I'm here. I donate food. Okay, and I'm here. So I'm still here. All right? We're all here. Okay, school's still in progress. All right, so y'all take care. Stay home. Yeah, stay home. Don't be touching other people. All right, peace.